Hello everyone and welcome to a new edition of Jefferson College Today. I'm Public Relations and Marketing Director Roger Barrentine, bringing you the latest news and information about things happening at your community college with locations in Hillsborough, Arnold, Imperial, and online. With that, here's what's new at Jefferson College. Well, in an effort to provide job-related resources and highlight the importance of manufacturing careers as an economic development and educational opportunity here in our region, Jefferson College will host the 4th Annual Manufacturing Day on Friday, October 4th from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. in the Fieldhouse on the Hillsborough campus. The annual nationwide focus allows manufacturers to open their doors and showcase the potential of modern manufacturing, all while fostering interest in manufacturing careers and highlighting industry's value to the local, regional, and national economy. Currently, there is a high demand for manufacturing technicians and skilled tradespeople in Jefferson County, as well as the surrounding region. And in many instances, jobs are so plentiful that there are not enough workers to fill needed positions. The event is part of an ongoing emphasis to change people's perceptions about today's manufacturing environment and also to draw attention to the outstanding opportunities that a career in manufacturing can provide. There is no cost whatsoever to participate in Manufacturing Day, and online registration is available at www.surveymonkey.com/r/JCMFGday19. Again, that's www.surveymonkey.com/r/JCMFGday19. Well, the day will feature employer information, demonstrations such as robotics and 3D printing, employer panels, and tours of manufacturing companies in Jefferson County in order to promote employment opportunities and products that are made right here in our own region. As well, faculty and staff members from Jefferson College's many career and technical education programs will also showcase curriculum that prepares students for high-wage careers in advanced manufacturing. The schedule for Manufacturing Day begins at 8:45 a.m. with registration in the Fieldhouse. Then, from 9:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m., attendees will take a bus tour of area companies, and from 11:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. is the showcase, lunch, and an employer panel, all in the Fieldhouse. Among the variety of participating employers are ARDA, DRS Marlowe, Good Earth Tools, Hockey Manufacturing, Heiser Aerospace Defense, HJ Enterprises, JSI, Collar Enterprises, LMC Industries, Master Chem Industries, Metal Container Corporation, Production Castings, True Manufacturing, and Western Wire. As Jefferson County's foremost provider of higher education, Jefferson College is leading the way to showcase the advancements and opportunities in modern manufacturing, as well as promote interest in manufacturing careers. Well, before I close today's show, here's a look at a recent Manufacturing Day captured by our own JCTV video crew.
We have our virtual welding machine made by Lincoln Electric here today. It's a great way to start welding. We can teach students the fundamentals of welding. We don't have to worry about smoke or sparks or extreme light, and nobody's going to get injured in here.
I never really knew how much of the different things there are.
There's more jobs out there than what I first thought.
Getting people interested in this business and being able to work on our tools has been a challenge. So we're hoping that we can attract people and groom these students into an engineer.
Well, that will do it for this edition of Jefferson College Today. I'm Roger Barrentine. Thanks for watching, And we'll see you at Manufacturing Day on October 4th.